Dolphins dance in the sparkling sea, flipping and splashing so wild and free. They jump up high, then dive down low, playing in waves wherever they go. With a squeak and a swirl, they twirl around, leaping up high with a joyful sound. Friendly and smart, with a happy grin, dolphins make waves and waves again. So next time you see them, give a cheer for the playful dolphins swimming near. In the ocean blue they'll prance and play, dancing in the waves all day.